Cap 26 are just hits some Pures and Hobbies, and when the spool runs out, you hit right here, which is pause, and then you go up to the spool, wait for it to unload, and you have to unload it. Okay, and I'll show you that when I get to it. Well, we're at this point right now where the spool is winding down. So we only have that much filament left. Okay, I'm going to go down to the screen. I'm going to tap the screen. Okay, and you want to push this button to pause and see how it goes off to the side. Okay, and then we're going to unload the filament. So we're going to go down to filament right here. I'm going to tap filament and I'm going to hit unload. Okay, and it's going to do a process of going to the side, cutting the filament, and unloading. There's the screen. Sorry about that. There it goes to the side, and we're going to pull it out from the top. So we replace the old filament and with new, and with the new filament, you cut the end of it on a 45 to feed it into the nozzle there. Okay, there's the new filament. You filled it in, and then you put the little latch to the side as you feed it in. Then on the LCD screen, you hit load. Okay, I'm going to put the procedure, I'm going to write it out for you in the description in the comments so you have it and you know what to do. And it's also in Bambu Wiki. You can look it up there, but I'll put the steps. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye for now.